Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Snackeet. Snackeet is an interactive content creation platform that allows businesses and individuals to create engaging mobile-first experiences like stories, surveys, quizzes, and landing pages. It is designed to help marketers and creators build interactive content without needing advanced technical skills, enhancing customers' engagement through dynamic storytelling. This platform typically targets market campaign, product launches, audience engagement by creating immersive experiences that users can interact with, similar to social media stories but with more customization. And in this video, we're going to learn that how we're going to set up Webhook inside Snackeet with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so as you can see that I've created a workflow with Pabbly Connect in the name of how to set up Webhook inside Snackeet. And after creating a workflow, you can see there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means that action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step. And for the trigger application, we are over here going to select it as Snackeet. So we're going to select our trigger application as Snackeet. As in this video, we're going to learn that how we're going to set up Webhook inside Snackeet with Pabbly Connect. Okay. After selecting the trigger application, we need to select a trigger event which is going to be configure Webhook. As with the help of Webhook, we are going to connect Snackeet to Pabbly Connect. Okay. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a Webhook URL. With the help of this unique Webhook URL, we are going to connect Snackeet to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this URL from here, and by following the steps given here below in the help test one by one, we are going to connect Snackeet to Pabbly Connect. Let us follow the steps. It says to log into your Snackeet account. Next, it says select the story you want to integrate with Webhook and click connect. In your connect panel, select Webhooks, click on add button and add new Webhook, copy the Webhook URL above and paste it under the Webhooks URL field and save it. Okay. So this is the Webhook steps that is provided to us that is going to help us to connect Snackeet to Pabbly Connect. Over here it says for the important notes, you will receive the following status: completed and incompleted. The user landed on the end page. The user started the story but quitted before the end page. You may use filtered by Pabbly to set filter received response as per your needs. Okay. In the response over here, you're going to receive two types of responses that are going to be completed and incompleted. Completed means that you have created a story with the help of Snackeet and the user opens the story and lands towards the end page of the story. Then the status is going to be completed. Okay. So this is the status that is for completed, and the second response that you're going to receive is for the incomplete. So now you have created a story with the help of Snackeet and the user started the story but quits before the end page of the story. The status is going to come as incompleted. Okay. In case of if you want a particular situation for completed or incompleted, you're going to set up a filter with the help of filter by Pabbly. That is an amazing feature that has been provided to us by Pabbly Connect, with the help of which you can filter out the values according to your requirement. Okay. So this is the important note for the status that is going to provide to us in the response that we are going to receive. Okay. So now to connect Snackeet to Pabbly Connect, as we have copied the URL, let us open our Snackeet account. I've already logged into my Snackeet account, and this is the story that I've created with the help of Snackeet in the name of PabbCon integration. Okay, this is the test story that I've created with the help of Snackeet. And now what we're going to do is I want to connect this story to Pabbly Connect so that whenever any of the users are going to end the story, are going to view the story and they're going to see the story till the end of the pages that I've created, how Pabbly Connect captures the response of it. So we're going to connect the story to Pabbly Connect. For that, on the top panel, you can see right away it says connect. We're going to select connect right over here. After selecting a connect, you can see that over here from the left side of the panel it says Webhooks. We're going to click on it. As we're going to click on Webhooks, it says add a new webhook. We are going to click on this add button. It says Webhook for user responses, Webhook for files uploaded. I want the Webhook for the user responses, as I want the status of the story should be captured in the response that I'm going to receive. So I'm going to select it as Webhook for user responses. Click on this next button. Over here it is asking for the Webhook URL. So for the Webhook URL, I'm going to paste paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Then it is asking for the header name and the value. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. Over here it says only complete interactions should be provided to the response. If you want the completed interactions only, you're going to turn on this bracket, you're going to toggle this bracket, but I do not require that, so I'm going to untoggle the bracket right away, as I want the response for the incomplete and the completed interactions for both. Okay, after pasting the webhook URL, I'm going to click on the save button. As you can see over here, a webhook has been created, you can see right over here, and as the webhook is now been added to my Snackeet account, I'm going to go back to my workflow. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the story that I've created with the help of the Snackeet. This is a story that you can see that I've created with the help of Snackeet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to see the story till the end, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the story being viewed or not. For that, click on the share button right away on this panel. You can see this is the stories link that is provided to us. So I'm going to copy this link from here, and I'm going to open this link in a new tab right over here. As you can see that this is a story that I've created with the help of Snackeet, and it is asking for the details right over here. So I'm going to fill in the details. Firstly, it is asking for the first name. So for the first name over here, I'm going to select it as demo. Then for the last name over here, I'm going to select it as user3. Then for the email over here, I'm going to select it as demoUser3@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. Firstly, for the country code, I'm going to select a country code from here, that is going to be India. Yes, after selecting the country code, for the mobile number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After that, I'm going to click on this by clicking on send button, and then I'm going to click on this validate button. Okay, after that, it is asking question, are you using an integration? I'm going to select it as yes. Okay, it says well done, the story has now been completed, the module is end, the story is end. We have come to the end page of the story. As we have done that, now I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect workflow, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the story that we have right now viewed or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow, and I'm going to scroll down. And yes, you can see right over here, we have received a response in my Pabbly Connect account. In the response, we have received the first name of our person who viewed the story as demo, last name as user3, for a dummy mobile number, the user ID, the email demoUser3@pabblytudes.com. Over here, you can see the name of the integration, that is right over here. The status comes over here as incomplete. You can see right over here with all the other details is provided to us. This means that Snackeet is now connected to Pabbly Connect, and this is how we set up webhook inside Snackeet with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this was it for this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.